trunk open, but does not want to close down. Try it again. I'm gonna replace the motor. Here's the liftgate motor I'm gonna be replacing. I bought it used, $350. So I opened up the side panel over here. Here's the motor. There's 2 connectors, 1, 2, and I believe there's 3 bolts that's holding onto it. And there's 2 bolts on top here. For the connector, you're gonna press on this tab right here. Press and pull. This tab right here. This one also. Press. Pull. I got the arm out here, and for the panel, you don't have to take it completely out. Kind of sneak your way out of here. Here is the motor. I got all the bolt out. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. To make it easier to line up the motor, this bracket right here, and this one right here, you're gonna line it up right here. This hole right here, and the one on top right here. Now I got the new motor in, connected the 2 connectors. Let's see if it's close now. Oh, look like we got problem solved, guys. Problem is solved. Now let's see if it opens up. I'm gonna try it again. Good. Okay, I'm gonna close it. Works good now, guys. Now just put back your side panel, and that's it. So I think the reason why my old one couldn't get it to close because this one was weak. It's ready to die. Let's say your liftgate motor is working properly. It lifts up and it closes down properly. But if it doesn't hold the trunk up, then you're gonna change out your shock right here. These 2 to get it to hold. Stay up.